Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to avoid interruption to your subscriptions and purchases. Verify your payment information. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to include or try to get a subscriptions or try to use a sub purchase, you must see the error. To avoid interruption to your subscriptions and purchases, you have to verify your payment information. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app, go to general and go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. After that, go to language and region, select region and select your own region from here. Again, go back, go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back, open your app store and just tap on the profile option at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, verify yourself using your Apple ID password. So after entering your Apple ID password, just tap on this sign in option. And here you have to change your country or region. So in case of changing your country or region, your billing address will be also updated. But I recommend you have to go to manage payments option here and just try to remove your payment method. Once you have removed your payment method, just go back and here go to country or region option. Then select your own country or region in which you are living, or the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So, for example, I'm going to select this one, and I have already selected this. Just tap on this, then tap on this continue option, and then tap on the agree on the top right. And here you have to enter your payment information or your payment method again. After entering your payment method, just enter your billing address correctly, enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode, your town, your country, your name, your phone number, and after all, just have one option at the top right, and your payment method will be updated, your billing address will be updated, your payment information will be verified. So after doing this, you will not get the issue. If you're still facing the same issue, open your Apple Support app. You can easily install that app from your App Store. You can use the Apple Support app. Select iPhone from here, select more options, then select App Store. And here just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.